Today class, we are going to discussing the structure of the neuron. Okay, we have to learn about the structure of the neuron. Neuron is the longest cell in our body. Longest cell, because it is started from our brain even up to end of our foot also it will be elongate. That's why the longest cell in our body, that is nothing but in the neuron. This is very important. Largest longest cell. Why? Because their axon is very long. Because of the lengthy axon, it is the longest organ in the body ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ when you have to discuss, three parts are there. Speak out what the three parts. The first one is called cell body. Cell body other name in the cyton. Second one in the dendrites. Okay, now that is one dendrites ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The last one is called axon. Clear students? But in this one, come on now. In this one, the cell body is nucleated cell. Andre nucleated body anta helbodu. Andre idralli matra nucleus is present. In this one only nucleus is present, and nucleus jotege which one also present? Granules also present. Can you speak out what the name of the granules are present in this? Very good. That is called Nissel's granules. Okay, Nissel's granules also present. But what is mean by Nissel's granules? Nissel's granules are nothing but it is the mass of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes. You already know rough endoplasmic reticulum mele which one is present? Ribosomes are there. Ago our rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, okay na, and ribosomes ivella sere we can call them as Nissel's granules anta karitara. Okay na, idi yav part nalli illa, better you can mention in your textbook. Okay na, so that is called Nissel's granules, means rough endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes is together. It is looks like a granule like appearance, but a granule like appearance is present in the cytoplasm of the cyton. Correct? The cytoplasm of the cyton, or it is also called cell body of the neuron anta helbodu. Okay na, ಈಗ next one is cell body. Cell body, it will be showing that from the fibers. What is the name of that fibers? Dendrites. It is a short fibers or long fibers? Short fibers. This point important. Short fibers, and which branch repeatedly, correct? Which branch repeatedly on the which one? The cyton. Cyton mele e dendrites are present. This is called them as dendrites. Okay na? This is called dendrites, and this is called which one? The cell body. Very important. Even dendrites nalli also, come on, which granules are present? Nissel's granules are present. Very important students. This one you can expecting the question. Nissel's granules present only in option A cyton, option B okay na dendrites, option C both axon and both dendrites and cyton. Which one you will choose? Very good. Okay na, so C option only you can choose. Why? Because Nissel's granules are present here also. Dendrites nalli also Nissel's granules are present like this. Okay, so what is the function of dendrites? Come on, dendrites function in the, it will be yes, they can transmit the impulse. Okay na, transmit the nerve impulse towards which one? Towards cyton varge they can send that one the impulse. Correct? So these nerve fibers are receiving the impulse from previous neuron. Previous neuron in the impulse tagondu they can transmit into the which one? The cyton. So cyton ge transmit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ dendrites. Okay, so this is the short fibers which branch repeatedly on the cyton. That is, the third one is what we can call axon. It is a long fiber. It is a long fiber. Do you know? It is only the lengthy part of the neuron that is called axon anta karitiva. A long fiber, okay, mainly this is called posterior part, anterior part anta karitiva. This is called posterior part anta karitivi, or it is called proximal anta karitivi. This one is called distal end. But which one is branched? Proximal end, distal end, distal end. Okay na, so distal end is completely which one? The branched is present. Okay, and these branches is terminate with okay na, these branches are terminate with which one? Yes, synaptic knob anta karitira. Okay na, so synaptic knob is nothing but it is a looks like a which one? Bulb like structure. It is a bulb like structure, and e bulb like structure is present at the end of the axon terminal anta karitira. Okay na, So this is what we can call axon terminal anta karitವಿ. ಈ axon terminal is end with a bulb like structure. What is the name of this one? Synaptic knob anta ಕರಿತೀರಾ. Synaptic knob. Clear students? Okay. Idura axon. So axon is nothing but is the longest fiber, long fiber of the neuron is called them as axon, and these are having the proximal and distal, but distal part only branch ra. E point important students, ನೀವು highlight ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay na? So proximal andre it is near to the cyton, and distal andre it is away from the cyton. You already know, correct? And what is the function of the axon? Come on, the axon function in the yes, they are carrying the impulse away from the cyton. Okay na? So they are completely carrying the impulse. They are carrying the impulse. Okay, so away from the cyton. Cyton in the they can completely taken away from that. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, again next very very important, the tip of the axon terminal. So axon terminal is end with a round knob like structure or bulb like structure ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಈ ನಾಬ್ ಆರ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರಪ್ಪ? ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾಬ್. ಈ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾಬ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ vesicles are present. So many vesicles are there inside these vesicles, and what is the name of this vesicle? Synaptic vesicles ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. Synaptic vesicles ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ synaptic vesicles inside, come on, which one is present? ACH. ACH is a one of the which transmitter? Neurotransmitter ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. It is a neurotransmitter. ACH full form ಏನಪ್ಪ? Acetyl choline. ಇದೇ punctuality. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes. All the best. Okay. Acetyl choline. ACH. Acetyl choline. It is a neurotransmitter. A neurotransmitter is present in the vesicles like this one. Small vesicles are present in this. Okay na? So this is called synaptic knob. Synaptic knob enlarged diagram, this one. Okay na? Okay, next one, what is the functioning of this axon terminal or synaptic knob? Synaptic knob is completely connected to the which part of the next neuron? Dendrites. Okay na? You already know this is about the one more neuron is there like this. One more neuron. One more neuron it is also contains cyton and dendrites like this one, cyton and dendrites. So and totally a synaptical knob or synaptic knob, they can completely release that one acetylcholine during the nerve impulse transmission. Okay na? So then it will be transmitted to next neuron. Okay na? Got the clarity students? Idira very simple structure, but idರಲ್ಲಿ types of neurons also there are. Types of neurons ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ axon is a long fiber, you know, ಮತ್ತು ಈ axon is covered by a special cells also present. Come on, speak out what the name of the cells are present. Yes, what is the name? Schwann cells ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. This is called Schwann cells. Schwann cells ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ Schwann cells also contain nucleus like this one, cytoplasm also present. Schwann cells also contain nucleus and cytoplasm. Clear? These Schwann cells, they will form a sheath around the axon. Come on, speak out what is the name of that sheath? Yes, that is called which sheath? Myelin sheath. Okay, now they will form that one, the myelin sheath. Myelin sheath, if they will formed by Schwann cells, that axons are called, or that nerve fibers are called myelinated nerve fibers anta ಕರೀತೀರಾ. But sometimes Schwann cells are there but cannot produce any type of myelin sheath. Such type of the axon is called non-myelinated axon or non-myelinated nerve fibers anta ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? But non-myelinated nerve fibers nalli also which cells are there? Schwann cells are there, but that does not form that one, the sheath. E point important. Later we can discuss based upon the presence or absence of myelin sheath. Also, no cells are completely divided into two types. Okay. Before that, and we can discuss about types of the neurons based upon the number of dendrites and axon. Okay, now so based upon the number and number of dendrites and axons. Okay, and one more important thing, is Schwann cells. It does not continuously present. Correct? Schwann cells are not present continuously. That's why they're not formed continuously the myelin sheath. Okay na? So the gap between the myelin sheath, what we can call ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾನ್ವಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾನ್ವಿಯರ್. ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾನ್ವಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾನ್ವಿಯರ್. ಮತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾನ್ವಿಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಶೀತ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್? myelin sheath is absent. That is important, students. Clear? Okay, now we are discussing based upon the number of dendrites and axon. Come on, nerve fibers are, how many types are there? Three types are there, nerve fibers. Okay na, idu repeat ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಮತ್ತೆ repeat ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Very simple era, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು repeat ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, 3 parts are completely present, but main ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ for competitive exams ಮಾತ್ರ cell body nalli, dendrites nalli, nacelles granules are present. Next, dendrites are short fibers which is present on axon. Okay na? So axon is a long fiber which is extended from nerve, which is extended from which one? Cyton only. Cyton indane extend agutte. Clear? Mainly which part is completely branched? Distal part of the axon is branched. Okay na? It is called axon terminal. Axon terminal is end with a knob like structure, what we can call synaptic knob. Adralli vesicles are there. Aa vesicles nalli neurotransmitter stores, what the name? Acetylcholine. Ashte, again next one, types of neurons. We are discussing types of neurons. Types of neurons. The types of neurons based on number of which one? Number of dendrites and axon. The first type is called as, come on, which one? Multipolar neurons. Multipolar neurons. Okay, multipolar neurons. Second one that is called bipolar neurons, and the last one is, yes, unipolar neurons. And one more type also there, that is called pseudo unipolar neurons. Innond also there, that is called apolar neurons. These two are extra for your need. First of all, multipolar neurons. From multipolar neurons nalli one axon only present. Correct? One axon and 2 or more dendrites. 2 or more dendrites idre. Okay na? So now I drawn that one. The which diagram radu? Multipolar neuron, because dendrites are, okay na, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. So many dendrites are there, but only one axon is present. Best example of where does multipolar neurons are present? Very good. Cerebral cortex region nalli it is commonly present. Andre our brain nalli multipolar neurons majority present. Okay, bipolar neurons andre same one axon only present, and how many dendrite? One dendrite only present. Adike bipolar neurons. Where does bipolar neurons are present? Yes, both bipolar neurons present in US. Okay, very good. Retinal of eye or retina of eye anta karitu. Retina, you already know eye is having that one, the 3 layers are there. What is the outer layer? Sclera. Second one is called choroid. Third one is called retina. So innermost layer of our eye is what we can call retina. Retina consists of 3 type of the cells. Who will speak that one? What are the 3 type of the cells? Photoreceptor cells. Second, bipolar cells. Third, ganglion cells anta 3 irutara. Photoreceptor cells, bipolar cells, and third one is ganglion. Bipolar alla irutara. Okay na? ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೈಟಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೈಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬೈಪೋಲಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾರೆ. ರೆಟಿನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Retina of eye. Retina is the innermost layer of the eye. It is contain photoreceptor cells, bipolar cells and ganglia. ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್. ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೋ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್, ಓಕೆನಾ, ವೇರ್ ಡಸ್ ದೇ ಫೌಂಡ್? ದೇ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ embryonic stage. Embryonic stage. Embryonic stage. You already know, after gastrula, germ layers formation is occurring now. In the gastrula stage, germ layers formation agadu. So germ layers are repeatedly undergoes mitotic division. They will form that one, the fetus. Correct? So our fetus formation, mainly initial stage of the fetus, that is called embryonic stage. Embryonic stage nalli all are which type of neurons? Unipolar neurons. Unipolar neurons andre you see this is about, okay, so it is having that one only one axon only present and no dendrite is present. That is called unipolar neurons. Axon onde but no dendrites. Example, embryonic stage. Clear? So this one, these three are there in your NCERT textbook. So that's why they may ask for match the following questions. So match the following questions nalli kodabodu, careful. Okay na? Multipolar neurons present in the cerebral cortex and bipolar neurons present in retina of eye and unipolar is present in embryonic. The next one is called pseudo-unipolar neurons. What is meant by pseudo-unipolar neurons? Andre same here also one axon is there. One axon is there, but cyton shows branches. Cyton shows a branch. It looks like dendrite. It looks like a dendrite, but actually it is not a dendrite. Just to cyton, it will be showing little branch. Little branch is looks like a which one? Dendrite. Adike it is looks like a, okay na. Pseudo means what? It is not true, but it looks like a which one? Unipolar neuron. That is what we can call. Okay, so unipolar neurons, but in unipolar neurons where it is found? It is found in that one dorsal root ganglion. This point important appa. Dorsal root ganglion of spinal cord. When we have to discuss the spinal cord, we can discuss in detail. Okay na? Dorsal root ganglion of spinal cord nalli pseudo unipolar neurons are there. Okay, so how that pseudo unipolar neurons means? The pseudo unipolar neurons, you see. So this is about the axon and this is about the axon and this is about the cyton. But the cyton just it will be showing that one ಈ ತರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೂಡೋ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸೂಡೋ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಶೋ ಎ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇ ಕರಿತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೂಡೋ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಡೂ ನೋ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? Yes, spinal cord, mainly dorsal root ganglia. The last one is called which one? Apolar neurons. A means what? Okay, now they don't, no dendrite and no axon. No axon, no dendrite. No axon and dendrite. No axon or no dendrite. Axon dendrite yav tarali iralla. That is called apolar neurons. Mainly we can observe in hydra. Hydra you already know. Yesterday only given that one some information about the, okay no? Yes, that is about the apolar neurons. Okay, that is apolar neurons is commonly, it looks like a round shape. They don't have any cyton and we can't differentiate ಇದು axon ಇದು cyton ಅಂತ differentiation ಇರಲ್ಲ. Just ಒಂದು round shape ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is what we can call apolar neurons ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Apolar neurons is present in which one? Yes, okay, this is totally 5 different types of the neurons are there. 5 different types of the neurons are there. Multipolar, bipolar, unipolar. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈ 3 ಮೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ, ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೂ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ. Pseudo unipolar neuron is also may chances are there to ask that one, okay. So it is where it is present dorsal root ganglia. Idu types of neurons based upon the which one? Dendrites. Again now one more type of neuron also discussing, adu based upon the which one? Myelin sheath, okay na. So iga axon ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ axon. Axon already you know, long fiber of the nerve is generally calling as which one? The axon. But the axon either it is covered by myelin sheath or not, and based upon this one again nerve fibers are two types, that is called myelinated nerve fibers. Second one is called non-myelinated nerve fibers. This is about the two types are there. So myelinated nerve fibers, already I said, you know, myelinated nerve fibers andre axon covered by which one? Yes, axon covered by which one? Schwann cells. And they produce which one? Myelin sheath. They produce myelin sheath. Such type of the neurons are called myelinated neurons. Very very important. Very very important. Where does it present? Adu kelಬಹುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಮಾನ್, myelinated nerve fibers, where it is present? Yes, myelinated nerve fibers is present in okay na, they are completely present in spinal nerves and cranial nerves. Spinal and cranial nerves are nothing but in the myelinated nerve fibers. Okay, and it is present in our brain also. Okay, second one is called non-myelinated or unmyelinated nerve fibers. The non-myelinated nerve fibers nalli also which one is present? Yes, Schwann cells are there. Schwann cells are present, but they do not produce which one? Yes, myelin sheath. They do not produce myelin sheath. Okay na? And these are where it is found in? They are found in which one? Which nervous system? PNS. PNS andrinda, that is called somatic neural system and autonomous neural system nalli nerves yaudanta ನಾವು ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಅದು non-myelinated nerve fibers. ಇದರ so these are about the information regarding about types of nerves based upon the nature of axon. Based on the nature of axon, the nerve fibers, one to two types is there, myelinated and non-myelinated. Finished. Okay na? So ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಕೇಳೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಮೈಲಿನೇಟೆಡ್ nerve fibers ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ SNS ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ANS ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಬಟ್ myelinated nerve fibers ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ cranial and spinal nerves. Cranial and spinal nerves are completely comes under which category? Yes. Okay students, so let us ಇದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. Generation and conduction of nerve impulse. Okay, so first impulse. What is meant by impulse? Impulse means nothing but one of the electric shock. Simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ one electric shock. ಮತ್ತು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್? ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್? ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಎನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಐದರ್ ಬೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಐದರ್ pricking ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ಸೇ ತಾನೇ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. Who will transport that one, the impulses in our body? Neurons only, correct? Neurons. But neurons are sending, suppose if anybody will be pricks that one, immediately we can get the sensation, correct? Pricking is nothing but stimulus, right? Stimulus, if they will pricks on that body, immediately it will generate the which one? The impulse. The impulse will be transported to nerves towards the which one? The CNS. Then CNS can be find out what is the name of the impulse or what is the name of the stimulus it causes. ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ತಾನೆ? ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್, ಅದು ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೈ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೈ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೀರಾ, ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೈ. ಹಿಂಗೇನೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೈತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮನೆ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾರಾ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೆವಲಪ್. ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? +40 ಮಿಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. +40 ಮಿಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಮಿಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. +40 ಮಿಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನೇ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಆಗ ಆ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್? ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಎ ರೌಂಡ್ ನಾಬ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾಬ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಈಗ ನಾವು, so who is receiving the impulse from the previous neuron? Dendrites. Then they can send into which one? Cell body. Cell body in the, come on, the impulse is transmitted through outside through axon. Okay na? So now e axon is a lengthy part tane. Matte ee lengthy part of the axon. Okay, now nanu ee part I am completely drawing in large diagram na. So this is about axon. Axon inside cytoplasm is there. What is the name of the cytoplasm? Axoplasm anta kariತೀವಿ. Correct? ಇದೊಂದು cytoplasm ra. This is about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is present inside the axon, that is called axoplasm. Clear? ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ axoplasm ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸೆಲ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ICF ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? axoplasm ಏನು ಹೆಸರಪ್ಪ? ICF ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ axon. Outside of the axon also Schwann cells are there, correct? Or other, okay, cells also present. And outside the axon, you see, the axon is a one of the cell, correct? So axon also part of the nerve cell only. But axon is covered by, come on, what is the name of the layer? Axolemma anta karitara. This is also axolemma ne. Era axolemma nothing but plasma membrane tane. Every cell of human body, every living cell of human body compulsory covered by which one? The plasma membrane. A plasma membrane is one more name in the cell membrane. But the cell membrane of the axon, what we can call? Axolemma anta karitivi. The cytoplasm of the axon, what we can call? Axoplasm. Idu ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ axolemma ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಸಿರಾ ಈ axolemma enlarged diagram I am drawing about here, okay na? So axolemma, it is one type of plasma membrane. ಈ plasma membrane ನಲ್ಲಿ, come on, which one is present? That is called bilayered lipid membrane is present. Bilayered lipid is there. Along with the bilayered lipid, come on, which channels are present? Protein channels are present. This is about the protein channels are present. This is about the protein channels. Correct, students? The structure of the axolemma. Very brief diagram I drawn down. Okay, now this is called them as a lipid bilayer. Lipid bilayer. This is called lipid bilayer, and this is called proteins. But which one is acts as the ion channels? Which one is acts as the ion channels? Proteins only acts as the ion channels. So why? Because they can move. By this movement, they can helpful for transporting of the ions from outside to inside and inside to outside. That is, got the clarity, students? Andre, ಈ axolemma ಮೇಲೆ so many channels are there. For your understanding, okay na, I'm completely drawing different channels. You see, this about the channels are there for your understanding, and this about channels I'm drawing. Okay, here also channels are there, here also channels are there. Okay, next one more channel also. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. Okay, so this is, so proteins are forms the ion channels. Proteins forms ion channels. The proteins are present in the axolemma. Form the which channels are ion channels. The ion channels are two types are there. Two types are, three types of ion channels are there. The first type is called the mass. Which one? Okay, leakage channels. Leakage channels. Second one is called voltage gated channels. Voltage gated channels. And third one is called sodium potassium pump. Ivunu channels era. Sodium potassium pump. Leakage channels. Leakage channels always open. Always open. Leakage channels. You see, for your understanding, this is about the leakage channels. Leakage channels. These are called leakage channels. Okay, this one also called leakage channels. Leakage channels. In leakage channels, only two types are there. Two types are there. That is called K plus leakage channels are there, and sodium leakage channels are there. Okay, two types of channels are there. Okay, na, sodium leakage channels and potassium leakage channels are both are present. Ivella open ಆಗಿರುತ್ತರ. But axolemma ಮೇಲೆ come on, which leakage channels are more? Potassium leakage channels are more. Okay na, these are more in number. These are more in number. These are less in number. Less in number. Okay, this is important, students. So sodium leakage channels are less in number. Potassium leakage channels ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ always open ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ leakage channels. ಈಗ next one, voltage gated channels. Voltage gated channels are open during voltage time only. During voltage time or high voltage time. High voltage ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is at least plus 45 millivolts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, plus 45 millivolts ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ಇದರ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಮ್ ಆಸ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ ಈಗ ಇದು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್, ಇದು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈಗ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. ನೋಡಿ, sodium and potassium leakage channels are there. But compared to that one, sodium channels and potassium channels are more in number is there. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎರಡು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರಡು ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಅಂತ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯಿತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪಂಪ್. ಈಗ ಇದರ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪಂಪ್, ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಈ ಪಂಪ್, these are also channels A. These are also channels A. Okay na? ಈ channels are commonly by using of ATP, by using of ATP, by using of ATP only, by using of ATP only, they can open. ದೇ ಕೆನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ATP ಬೇಕ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ATP ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಓಪನ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಓಪನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ATP. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, first these 3 points if you are understand means okay you can easily understand how the nerve impulse generate plus conduction ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ we can easily understand the concept. Okay, so for your understanding once again I can repeat. Okay, generation and conduction of nerve impulse ನಲ್ಲಿ axon play an important role. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನರ್ವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಾನಿಂದನೇ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆನೋ? ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 hour ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ನೋ ಓಕೆನಾ? ವಿತಿನ್ ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ. ಕಾರಣ ಎಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್? ಆಕ್ಸೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್. ದ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ is what we can call exoplasm. Exoplasm is also called intracellular fluid. Clear? Next one, axon is covered by the plasma membrane is there. What is the name? Axolemma ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸೋಲೆಮ್ಮಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರಾ. ಸಪೋಸ್ Schwann cells also there. Schwann cells also contain cytoplasm ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದ್ರಾ? ECF ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ECF ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸೆಲ್ಲಾರ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸೆಲ್ಲಾರ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸೆಲ್ಲಾರ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸೋಲೆಮ್ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, and inside the axolemma that is called intracellular fluid is present. Intracellular fluid. Got the clarity students? Intracellular fluid idu extracellular fluid, both are separated by which lemma? Axolemma. Matte axolemma is nothing but is a one of the plasma membrane. It is also contain lipoprotein membrane. Lipids are present and proteins also present. And which one is bilayer? Lipid is bilayer. Matte lipid bilayer madhya which one is there? Proteins are present. E proteins acts as a which one? Ion channels. E ion channels are how many types? 3 types. Leakage, voltage gated and sodium potassium pump. But leakage channels present more in number on the axolemma. Same ra here ಏನಿರೋದು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸೋಲೆಮ್ಮಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸೇಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 types ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. K+ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ K+ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಹೈ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಹೈ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 45 + 45 millivolts ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಜನರಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ closed. That is important. Voltage gated channels are commonly open in the high voltage means. Okay, ಈಗ sodium potassium pump. Sodium potassium pump is one of the active pump ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Why? Because ATPase enzyme is very helpful. ಈ ATPase enzyme is the digesting or hydrolysis of the ATP. Hydrolysis of which one? ATP. So ATP hydrolysis ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ? ADP plus phosphate plus energy. By using of that energy and this sodium potassium pump will be open. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is called which pump ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? Active pump ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? So these are about the 3 channels are completed. 3 channels are completed, that is leakage and voltage gated and sodium potassium pump. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಈ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಜನರಲಿ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ excitable ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. nerves are which one? Excitable. Why nerves are completely excitable ಅಂದ್ರೆ because they are present in polarized state. These are excitable because they are in which stage now? Polarized state. Yen sari polarized state. Andre, let us we have to discuss. But in nerve impulse transmission we can completely explain in how many stages now? 4 stages are there. 4 stages are there. The first one is called what? Polarization. Second one is called depolarization. In textbook not given clearly ra andre kottidru sequence prakara kottidru but side headlines they are not at all mentioned. Clear? So now polarization, depolarization, third one is in the repolarization, and the last one in the hyper repolarization. Like that 4 stages are there in the nerve impulse conduction. Okay, but ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ polarized state ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜನರಲಿ polarized state ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? when the nerve is present in resting stage, nerve present in which state? Resting state. Meaning I know what is meant by resting state. Resting state means that is nothing but cannot conduct any impulse, cannot conduct any impulse. That stage is what we can call resting state anta karitara. ಈ resting state ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್. And what is the name of these channels? What is the name of these channels? Leakage channels. And what is the name of these channels? Voltage gated channels. Matte idunu leakage channels. Yakandre leakage channels number is more anta helidara. Sara? Idu resting time anta tilkodu. Resting time nalli electropositivity present outside of the axolemma. Electropositivity present outside of the axolemma like this one. Electropositivity present outside of the axolemma like this. Yake sir electropositivity present outside of the axolemma? Who will speak that one? Yes, okay na. Because resting potential namely mainly extracellular fluid ECF anta karitara. Extracellular fluid antane mention ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ extracellular fluid present this side and extracellular fluid also present that side also. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Outside the axolemma, the fluid is what we can call extracellular fluid. But the extracellular fluid has, come on down, okay, more amount of or more number of which ions? Na plus ions, correct? Sodium ions are present, plus less number of which one? K plus channels or K plus ions. K plus ions are present, plus more number of positive proteins also present. Adike electropositivity, adike ECF has electropositivity. Why it is present in electropositivity andre sodium ions tumba iruttara. Attaita students, okay na? So electropositivity outside means in the extracellular fluid or extracellular fluid nalli positive we can observe. What is the reason andre ide reason da? Okay, so more number of sodium ions and less number of K plus ions and more number of which one da? Positive proteins also there, adike positivity. Iga ide resting time nalli what about ICF andre inda intracellular fluid. Intracellular fluid has electronegativity anta karitara. Electronegativity. So why electronegativity is present inside the axon or axolemma? Can you speak out? Yes, okay, opposite. Why? Because it has more number of which one? Yes, more number of K plus ions, correct? And less number of which one? Less number of sodium, plus even less number of, okay, yes, more number of the K plus ions and one more number of which one? Negative charged proteins. Negative charged proteins are present inside the axolemma. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ axolemma ತಾನೆ? sorry, exoplasm. This is called exoplasm. So ICF under nothing but in the exoplasm. So exoplasm has that one electronegativity. So negative charge is present inside the axon and outside the axon positivity is present. ಇದು ಈ ತರಹ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? Polarized state ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. Polarized state ಅಂದ್ರೆ if they not conduct any impulse, if they not conduct any impulse, that one is called polarized state. So polarized state nalli ECF is having electropositivity and ICF is having electronegativity. Reason ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Yes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಈ ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಕಮಾನ್, ಆ 3 ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್? ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು Na plus channels, and which channels are more? K plus channels. That's why in the polarized state, which one? Influx of which one? K plus ions are occurs. Influx meaning what? Influx andre meaning ena entry. Influx meaning ena entry. So entry of the which channels are, which ions are occurs? K plus ions. Ellinda ellige? Come on, influx andre enda from ECF to ICF. ECF full form ಏನಪ್ಪ? Extracellular fluid. ICF full form ಏನಪ್ಪ? Intracellular fluid. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ K plus ions into ICF. Correct? So that's why influx of K plus ions also occur in the which state? Polarized state. But sometimes inside electropositivity ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ inside also ಅಂದರೆ exoplasm, or it is also called which one? ICF. So ICF is sometimes more number of sodium ions also ಇರಬಹುದು. ECF ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ move out of the axolemma through a special channels are there. Can you speak out what are the name of the channels? Sodium potassium pump. ಈಗ ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ತ್ರೀ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ಗೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ K plus ions entry? 2 K plus ions entry is commonly takes place. ಇದು ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 2017 ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. Polarized state nalli sometimes to maintain constant electronegativity and positivity across the axolemma, if any excessive sodium ions are there in the exoplasm, excess sodium ions are there in the exoplasm, it will be go to outside. But ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್? ATP. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ATP. ಸೊ ATP ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ATP ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದ ಎವ್ರಿ 3 K Na plus exitಗೆ 2 K plus ions are entries takes place from. So that one also occur in the which state? Polarized state. ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್, ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ with the help of which one? Sodium potassium pump. So pump is open in the polarization, pump is closed in the polarization state. Pump is open. Sodium potassium pump is open. Okay, no? This point also important. Sodium potassium pump open in polarized or during polarized state. Why? In the polarized state, sodium potassium pump also open. Okay, so every pump is helpful for that one. 3 sodium exit, 2 K plus entry. 2K plus is entry occurs through sodium cat. Okay, so by using ATP, by this sodium potassium pump. Clear students? That's enough today class. Polarized state matra complete ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವತ್ತು. So polarized state ಅಂದ್ರೆ in the meaning, if the nerve is not conduct any impulse, such a state is what we can call polarized. So ಈ polarized condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ come on, what is the charging we can observe inside negativity, outside positivity. What is the reason? You already know. Reason, okay na? So mainly ECF is having electropositivity because more number of sodium, more number of which one? More number of which one? Positive charged proteins are there. Positive charged proteins or positive proteins also present, more number outside. Okay, so idರಲ್ಲಿ negative charged proteins are there. Negative charged proteins are there in the exoplasm. That's why inside exoplasm or in the exoplasm electronegativity is present. Okay, so more number of K plus and less number of which one? Sodium ions. Okay, plus more number of negative charged proteins. Idರಲ್ಲಿ also positive charged proteins, like that you have to write down. Positive charged proteins are present more in number. Correct? Why again sodium potassium pump is required in this time? To maintain the balance of sodium and potassium across the axolemma. The sodium potassium pump will be opened up by using of ATP. Every 3 Na plus exit, how many K plus ions are enter? 2K plus ions. Adikira K plus ions are more in number in the exoplasm. Reason enandre idunu. Plus innondu vishaya, ee polarized state nalli command which channels are mainly opened? K plus channels. Andre nanu already helidalla, K plus which one? Leakage channel. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ K plus leakage channels more in number is there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ they can also permit more number of the K plus ions entry into the which cells or which part? Exoplasm. Exoplasm is also called exoplasm. Yes, ICF.